Welcome to French Haveli, this beautiful heritage home in Ahmedabad. Ale&Ela and I are staying here for 2 nights. It's a little bit over our usual budget, but we're celebrating something very important. 1 year since we started traveling the world.
French Haveli. Haveli means mansions. Typical Havelis have a central open court where all the family gathers used to happen and with all the rooms around it. They also have carved brackets, and also the facade, the typical facades are full in carvings.
This house is 150 years old and it was restored by some French architects in 2005. That's why it's called French Haveli. For a while it was a residency for artists before becoming a hotel.
The French Haveli is part of a pole. Pole used to be a community of houses built with a mechanism of defense, and they were organized based on religion, based on caste, and also profession. They had pretty strict rules actually. If a family wanted to sell their house, they had to go through the pole first, or even if they were getting married, they had to invite the whole pole first of all. It was very, very interesting.